Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iOS version and making a quick backup. This prevents data loss. Once done, free at least 200 megabytes and install the AutoExecute Delta IPA using AltStore or Assign Profile. Make sure to trust the developer profile in settings so iOS allows launch. After you open the app, grant any requested permissions. This step lets the automation interact with system features. You're now ready to move into configuring the execution flow. Now you configure the execution flow by selecting the target app or process and choosing triggers like scheduled time, specific app launch, or system events. Then define the action sequence, simulated inputs, precise delays, conditional branches, and loops so behaviors change dynamically. Be attentive to timing. Adjust delays between 0.1 and 1 second where needed to match UI responsiveness. Once you test each step individually and it behaves predictably, save a named preset so you can reuse the exact configuration. To finish, run your preset in dry mode or with a limited loop so you can observe behavior without full commitment. Verify success by watching the UI and checking logs or saved screenshots that you enabled for debugging. If something goes wrong, stop execution immediately and use your backup to restore state. Then adjust delays, refine conditional checks, or narrow target regions. Make sure to retest small segments before full runs so you avoid repeated failures and understand why.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.